Fish on! Get it, girl. Fish on, little stuff boy. Oh, he's a running, ain't he? Get the net. Leg. That rock right there is gonna be your demise if you ain't careful. Probably. Man, look at the scales on him. He's crazy looking. Wow. Check this out.
Looks like he's missing
He's missing a bunch of
scales.
scales.
What the crap? That ain't good. Surely. Look how he's hooked. Dang, I wonder I've been pulling hooks on him. He's like it on both sides.
Woohoo! Don't step on that reel.
He's a little bit bigger.
It's starting to rain.
All right, he's getting yeeted.